What's up guys, Quezzy or Noah here, and today I'm giving you guys my 40,000 subscribers pack. And I just want to say thank you so much for 40,000 subscribers here on YouTube. It's a pretty big number, obviously in comparison to other YouTubers. It's nothing crazy. There's other design channels that are bigger, but it is still a pretty big number, and it's really cool to hit this milestone after like 8 years here on YouTube making tutorials and stuff. So I hope you guys enjoyed the latest free pack. I'm going to do a walkthrough of kind of just showing you what's all in the pack. Thank you guys again, and hopefully you enjoy the pack. Let me know what you think of it in the description. If you download it, be sure to leave a like on the video. Follow me on Twitter and Instagram. Thank you guys again so much. Peace.